Good day to everyone. I'm Mom Jovi. In this video, I'm going to talk about ArrayList, the different constructor of an ArrayList together with its methods. What is ArrayList? An ArrayList is a part of Java collection framework. A framework is a set of classes and interfaces which provide a ready-made architecture. Next, this class is found in Java util package. Java util package contains the collection framework, legacy collection classes, event model, date and time facilities, internationalization, and miscellaneous utility classes such as string tokenizer, random number generator, and a bit array. Next, it provides us dynamic arrays in Java. Unlike arrays, ArrayList can automatically adjust their capacity when we add or remove elements from them. Hence, ArrayLists are also known as dynamic arrays. And lastly, in declaring ArrayList, no need to indicate the size. In Java, we need to declare the size of an array before we can use it. Once the size of an array is declared, it's hard to change it. To handle this issue, we can use the ArrayList class. It allows us to create resizable arrays. An ArrayList has three constructors. The first one is this, okay? ArrayList. Okay, this constructor is used to build an empty array list. If we wish to create an empty array list with the name ARR, then it can be created as this. Okay, so this one ARR is a reference to the array list class. Second one is an array list with one parameter that accepts collection. This constructor is used to build an array list initialized with the elements from the collection. What is a collection? So according to oracle.com, collection is an object that represents a group of objects, such as the classic vector class. A collection framework is a unified architecture for representing and manipulating collections, enabling collections to be manipulated independently or implementation details. Suppose we wish to create an array list AR which contains the element present in the collection C, then it can be created as this. Array list ARR is equal to new array list, then it accepts one argument. The third one is a constructor with one parameter. This one. So it accepts an integer data type. So this constructor is used to build an array list with initial capacity being specified. So first we wish to create an array list with the initial size being n, then it can be created as this one. Array list, and then the reference to the array list ARR is equals to new array list n. So we are going to replace the number n depending on the user. It could be 5, 10, or whatever value that you wish to use depending on the program that you are creating. Okay, I've been mentioning the term parameter and argument. So parameter refers to the list of variables in a method declaration, while arguments are the actual values that are passed in when the method is invoked or called. Okay, the ArrayList class provides various methods to perform different operations in ArrayList. We will look at some commonly used ArrayList operations in this presentation. The first one is the add method. In order to add an element to an ArrayList, you can use the add method. This method is overloaded to perform multiple operations based on different parameters. The first one is this one, the add method with one parameter. So E represents the data type of an object. And the next method is this one. It has two parameters. The first one is the index and the second one is the element. Okay, I am now going to use the ArrayList class. So as viewed in line 1, we are going to import the ArrayList class. Next, I have here a class named ArrayList demo. The output of this program is just an ArrayList text. It displays the ArrayList based on line 4. Okay. Here I instantiated already the ArrayList class. The ArrayList class itself, the string is the data type. This is the diamond operator. If you want an ArrayList of integer, you can replace that with integer. Since on this demonstration, I'll be using an ArrayList of string. That's why I put string. Fruits is equals to new ArrayList. Okay, so to add an element on the ArrayList, we will be using the reference to the array list, it is fruits. Ito po yon. Yan. Okay? And then the method that add. Okay. We need to supply one argument. Let's say banana. Okay. Banana. Okay. And then, uh, I will be copying and pasting it here para mabilis. I'll do it. I'll copy this one and supply the value later on. Yan. Isa pa. So, in the Philippines, we have mango, we have guava, we have atis, and we have star apple. Okay. Yan. So, let's save this one. Of course, we need to display this using system.out.println. I'll put some comment again. Print the elements. Print the elements. So, system.out.println, instead of typing, I'll just copy this one. And then replace this with an array list. Instead of an array list, we use fruits. Yan. Okay, save and then let's save. Look at this. Yan lang po yun. So, para makita nyo, I am going to scroll it up. Yan. Okay, so that's the code. Save and then run F6. Yan. Okay? Okay, to continue, I will be using the add method with two parameters. So, I'm going to put it here. Yan. Yan. So, let's say fruits that add. Okay. So, the index. So, where do we want the index? As we all know that index starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. If I want to place it between banana and mango, so the index of banana is 0, I'll put it 1 here. So, it will go after banana, right? And then, let's say cucumber. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, and I am going to reprint this one after adding. Yeah. So after, I'll just put here after add method with two parameters. Okay, let's just scroll this up para maintindihan ninyo ng mabuti. Yan. So I'll just concatenate it. Yan. So after add method with two parameters. So let's save and look at the output. Ayun siya. Look at this. Okay. So the original is mango. As I mentioned before, kasi I added, the index is 1. That's the reason why the cucumber comes after banana. Okay, kung gusto mo naman palitan, reorder, you just change the index. So let's modify. If I want that the cucumber will appear right after Atis, right? Right after Atis. So let's say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So right after Atis, dapat 4. So let's see kung tama tayo. Run. So after Atis, ayun. So after Atis, cucumber. Okay, so it is clearly explained how to use the add method with one parameter and then the method with two parameters. As an element from the ArrayList, we use the get method of the ArrayList class. And so if we want to access a particular element of the ArrayList, we will be using this method to access the get index. We are going to specify the index. The succeeding slide will demonstrate how to use the um, get index method to access an array list element. Okay, to continue, I will be using the get method. So, using the get method, instead of typing, I'll just copy this one until here. System.out.println, the get method, So, plus I'm going to concat. So, fruits dot get. Okay, if I want to display the first element on the array, I'll be supplying the index 0. Look at this. Let's see the output. Yan, the get method. Titingnan natin yan. The get method. So, we put some space. 0, banana. If I want 3, what will be the output, guys? So, you'll be counting 0, 1, 2, 3. Atis, let's check. Yan, it's very easy how to use the get method of an ArrayList class. Okay, to change the element on the ArrayList, we will be using the set method. So the set method of Java util.ArrayList class is used to replace the element at the specified position in the list with the specified element. Here is the syntax. Okay, it accepts two parameters. The first one is the index, and the second one is the element. So the first one is the index of the element to replace. The second parameter is the element to be stored at the specified position. So to continue, so the data type is string. So I will be having this as my variables. tr1 is equals to fruits.set. Okay. So I am just telling that the str1 will gonna store whatever the value that I set. So the index of Atis is 0 banana, 1 mango. Let's put here 0 banana, 1 mango, guava, 2, 3. So 3 in Filipino, guys, sa wikang Pilipino Atis, sa English, it's custard apple. Papalitan natin. We're going to change it. There you go. And then system that out that print ln after set method. So fruits, look at this. Let's save and then F6 to run the program. There you go. Ayan, no? Okay. After the set method. So, hindi na siya atis. Look at this one dito, naka-atis pa siya. And then after the set method, we modified based on line 23. So, ayan na po siya. Okay? The next element in the array list is the remove method. Let's say, for instance, we want to delete elements in the array. We will be using this. So, we can use this method. We can specify the element itself or the index. Okay, let's now use this method. Okay, I'll be using the remove method. So the data type is string, right? So this is my variable. This equals to fruits that remove. I'll be using the index. So I'll supply the 0 because the index of the first element is 0. Next, I am going to display system.out.print ln, and then after remove, so after using the remove method, okay, I'm going to concat plus, let's put some space, and then fruits. Okay, so the index of banana is 0. As expected, dapat hindi na natin siya nakikita. Ayan, look at this. The output of the statement on line 15 is this one. Elements of the array list, banana, mango. And then the output of line 18 is this one. After using the remove method, banana is no longer visible. It was already removed from the array list. Helps you, please click like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.